Welcome to Amani Happy Hour. Today I'm going to make for you the Quarantini. I'm going to be using gin, but you can also use vodka. I'm more of a gin guy, so gin it is for me, but feel free to substitute vodka. We are also going to need this, which is an extra dry vermouth and passion fruit juice. This is a good brand, but any brand of passion fruit juice will do. I have a cocktail mixer with me, but if you don't have a cocktail mixer, you can just use a couple of glasses. And also a martini glass, because it looks good in a martini glass. Again, if you don't have a martini glass, don't worry about it. Any glass will do. But first, with the martini glass, you don't want to do your drink in a warm martini glass. So put some ice in the martini glass and some water to chill it down, and just set that aside for a moment. Next, you will need a shot glass. This shot glass is 1.5 ounces to the top, 1 ounce to the first line. So we're going to start with the gin and some ice in the mixer of the glass. So I'm filling this up with some ice, and I'm going to put 2 jiggers. A jigger is 1.5 ounces. So that's going to be a total of 3 ounces of gin. And 1 jigger of passion fruit juice. And about 1/2 ounce of the vermouth. I'm putting the top on, making sure it's nice and sealed. I'm going to shake it up and let it sit for a minute. Now, you're probably all James Bond fans, and you know the whole story about shaken, not stirred, blah, blah, blah. So a true martini would be stirred, because a true martini should be clear. When you shake it, it gets a little cloudy, but I prefer it that way, and I think a lot of people do also. So now I'm going to take the strainer. I'm going to dump out my ice and water in the martini glass. I'm going to strain this into this martini glass. And normally a martini would take olives, but because of the passion fruit juice, I think the saltiness of olives aren't going to work, so I have red grapes. So I put a few red grapes in, and now your Quarantini is ready to enjoy. So enjoy the rest of the evening.